Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Harun Muhammad Lawo, and with student ID 32142311 and 6. I was one of the student of English department on University of Gorontalo. So today I'm gonna discuss about one of the biggest American history, or maybe the world. It was the attack of Pearl Harbor. So I hope you. Okay, before I start, maybe it's not that important, but I want to talk about the reason why I choose about this material. So I was reading this book. This is about the Pacific War on 1942. At the first time, I think I want to choose this material about the Pacific War, but after I think I was that's a lot of detail and history to talk about, and it gonna be talk a long video. So I choose history before the Pacific War. It was the Pearl Harbor in 1941. So anyway, the Pearl Harbor attack, it was a pivotal moment in World War II that dramatically altered the course of American history. On December 7, 1941, Japan launched a surprise military strike against the United States naval base at Pearl Harbor in Hawaii Island. So this event not only led the US to enter the war, but also transformed the global landscape. So, to understand the significance of Pearl Harbor, we must look at the context of the time. So, in the 1930s, Japan was expanding aggressively in Asia. It was seeking to dominate the region. Tension grew between Japan and United States over issues like trade restrictions and Japan invasion of China. Its response, United States, US imposed, not United States, I mean Japan. To respond to Japan's action, the US imposed the economic sanctions, including an oil embargo, which severely impacted the Japan military capabilities. So on the morning of December 7, 1941, at 7:48 a.m., the first wave of Japan's aircraft struck Pearl Harbor. Nearly 400 planes launched from 6 aircraft carriers, targeted battleships and airfields. The attack lasted about 2 hours and resulted in significant destructions. 8 battleships were damaged or sunk, along with numerous other vessels and aircraft. Over 240 Americans were killed, making it the deadliest attack on US soil until September 11 on 2001. The surprise of the attack stunned the nation. President at that time, Franklin D. Roosevelt, addressed the Congress the next day, famously declaring December 7th a date which will live in infamy. Congress swiftly declared war on Japan, marking the US entry into the World War II. This event galvanized American public opinion and united the country in support of the war effort. The attack on Pearl Harbor had far-reaching consequences. It led to a significant mobilization of the US military and industry, effectively shifting to the country from isolation to the active participation on global conflict. The US would go on to play a crucial role to defeating the Axis power. Additionally, Pearl Harbor remains a symbol of military preparedness and the importance of intelligence in nation security. So at the end of the story, a Pearl Harbor attack is more than just a military strike. It was a catalyst for change that reshaped U.S. foreign policy and military strategy. Understanding this event helped us to appreciate the complexities of international relations and the importance of vigilance in national security. I'm Abdullah Maharil Muhammad Wawo. That's it from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.